Yeah, hi, Mike Ellis here. I wanted to touch base and talk about Bitconnect a little bit. We're working with a lot of people that were in Bitconnect. I myself was in Bitconnect, and it's nothing of what it was yesterday, what it is today. It's totally changed. Most of you know that Bitconnect was a lending platform, and if you got into Bitconnect early, you did quite well. They paid very, very well for about 8 months or so, and if you were part of that, you did really, really well. Unfortunately, there are a lot of people that got into Bitconnect late, and Bitconnect, because of what happened in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, because there was a fall, they pretty much bailed, and they took all the money, didn't pay anybody back, and then they started the new Bitconnect. Now, what this is right now, it is an altcoin. Bitconnect is an open source, all-in-one Bitcoin and crypto community platform, education, and it's an open source altcoin basically. Pretty simple. It is not a lending platform anymore, but it is an altcoin that you can buy and sell, and if it goes up, you make money. If it goes down, you lose money. Now, because of what Bitconnect did to the people that came in late, because of how they treated them and the amount of money that they kept, I do not trade with this coin, just out of principle. I really don't care what it does. Right now, the coin is at 42 cents. At one time, this coin at the peak of Bitconnect was well over $100 a coin. So, yeah, it did pay some people very, very well. But in the end, even those people that had their money in there, they kept the money and they ran. Now, if I run over to a chart of Bitconnect, BCC, you can see that during the peak, and I'll take this way a little bit more, as Bitcoin rose, so did Bitconnect. And as it got toward its peak, which was in December, January, it went up. It was paying very, very well. It went down, still paying very, very well. Went back up again, and then Bitcoin just took a dive, and I'll show you that in a second. And as you can see, the price of Bitconnect just continued to go down and down and down. Today, it's right at 42 cents. At one time, it was over 100. And basically what happened, because Bitcoin was no longer going up, Bitconnect could not pay anymore. I really don't think they were trading anything. I think they were paying based on the increase in Bitcoin. And of course, as we know, Bitcoin over here got up to about that 20,000 range, and it was really, really easy to pay people. But when Bitcoin started the fall, and I'll run over here and show you Bitcoin very quickly, Bitconnect just could no longer do what it did. And this was the peak in December and January of Bitcoin, and it did continue to, it started down, and as it went down, Bitconnect just fell apart. And whether it was purposeful or however it was structured, I don't know if these guys did it on purpose or not, but the bottom line is, they took a lot of money from a lot of people, and because of that, I can no longer support really anything they do. I will not buy their coin, whatever it does. If it goes up, down, I just don't care. I will not deal with Bitconnect. Now, what I do want to tell everybody is that cryptocurrency was never the problem here. We just had a lot of people coming in with grandiose ideas that thought they could do something they could not. But cryptocurrency and Bitcoin has never been the problem. And if you look at this chart right here, you can see that as Bitcoin went down, it hit a bottom right in here, which was right around the 6,600, got as low as 6,000, 5,900, and then it bounced up. This bounce right here was about 98%, and I can show you that with this little indicator right here. And if we look at the top here, it was about a 90% increase there. And then it went down again. Now, obviously, this was a great buying opportunity. It was a terrific buying opportunity. But most people that were in the lending platforms like Bitconnect or Devor or or some of the mining operations that were out there. They just got a really, really bad taste in their mouth, and they got out of it. And they missed this buying opportunity in cryptocurrency. Now it went down again, got down to about that 95 level, and then it went back up again. This was a great buying opportunity. And if we look at that particular buying opportunity, it was right around a 51% return. So if you would have gotten in at these lows, this would have been a 90% return. This would have been a 50%, 52% return. And right now, Bitcoin has gone down again and is on its way back up. Now, I think Bitcoin is in a really, really good position right now. And it's in a position, if you're paying attention, where I believe it's going to go back up, and we're going to have another buying opportunity like we had here. Now, if it goes back up and it breaks several resistance levels, this one right here, which is 10,000, this one right here, which is about 77, and this is the biggie right here, which is 11.5, right in there. If it gets through these resistance levels, we will get back into a bull market. And I can tell you, in a bull market, and this is one of the reasons why Bitconnect was able to last as long as it did, it hit the bottom of that bull market and rode it up. But what would happen if you could get into a bull market and ride it up and keep complete control of all of your Bitcoin and all of your altcoins, which is really, really important in cryptocurrency. One of the main problems we had with a lot of these lending platforms and mining companies is they took your Bitcoin and you lost control of it. And of course, when things went south, rather than being able to sell your Bitcoin and keep your profits, the lending companies, the mining companies, they took your money, they ran, and then they reinvented themselves like Bitconnect did. But if you could come in and take advantage of these rises that Bitcoin is having, one here, and I believe we're right on the cusp of another one, you're going to find that you can profit from these very, very nicely. And if by chance, and I do believe this is going to happen this year, we get back into a bull market, you can ride that bull market and do really, really well. And the reason I know that is because I did participate in last year's bull market from about February up into December. It was just terrific, guys. It was an awesome run, did very, very well. And yes, I did lose tens of thousands of dollars in some of these other programs, Bitconnect being one of them, Devore, Pandex, Power Mining. I was in all those, and I lost tens of thousands of dollars, but I still came out all right because I played the bull market. Now, if you can get into a bull market and ride it up, stay in complete control of all of your assets, your Bitcoin, your altcoins, I can tell you from experience you're going to do very, very well. So Bitconnect, it's something I will never touch again, regardless of what they do, because I don't think they were particularly, I don't know if I want to say dishonest. Their business model was wrong, and they really took it out on the people that came in. Simple as that. So I will not deal with them. But there is a way to take advantage of cryptocurrency, really everything cryptocurrency, and the next increase in Bitcoin, take advantage of that, whether it's 90%, whether it's 52%, or whether we get into a bull market and we really get into a nice run that can really set people free financially. It really is that powerful. And what I'm doing right now is I stay in control of all my Bitcoin, all my altcoins. And I use a company that does daily signals, and I trade in Bitcoin. And it's very, very powerful. This particular company, over the course of a bear market from about January 1 to June 1, it's about a 5-month period, it did really, really well with the live signals. The people that were involved with this company taking the daily signals, and they tell you when to buy, they tell you when to sell. There are days when you might get anywhere from 6 to a dozen different buy and sell points. Very, very simple to do. You can do it on your phone. I connect the daily signals with my Binance account, and I buy and sell. And it's done really, really well. I really don't want to talk figures on this video. That's not what it's for. If you'd like to know the figures, go on over to the next page. I have a link down below. We kind of go over everything, and you'll get an understanding of what we're doing and why we're doing it. But there is a way to take full advantage of cryptocurrency. Everything cryptocurrency you can capitalize and stay in control of everything. And this is what I'm doing this year. And I have caught the increase in Bitcoin on a couple of these increases right here. It's been really, really fun. I'm really excited about this one right here. Bitcoin is acting very, very good. We're waiting for it to get over a couple resistance points here and here. And I think we're going to get into a terrific buying period in both of these. This is the next resistance point right here, 68. The next one is 77, and the next one after that is it's 10,000. I think that's going to start happening, and this particular daily signals that I get, they're really, really good in a bull market. When Bitcoin is going up, they're just off the chart. I mean, the rates of returns that we're getting with this, really, really fun to watch. Really some cool stuff. So if you believe like I do, that yeah, there was some actors that came in that really didn't do the right thing for us, their customer, but you believe that cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and the altcoins was never the problem, you're in the right place. I can show you how to use these daily signals and really set yourself free. It's simple to do, and you stay in control of everything that's cryptocurrency, your Bitcoin and your altcoin. So that's it for today, guys. Just a quick review of Bitconnect. Pretty much done with that. Whatever they do, I will not be involved with it. But there is a way forward. There is a way to really take advantage of cryptocurrency and everything cryptocurrency. And if you're interested in learning more and how you do that, there will be a link down below. Go ahead and click it. I'll take you over to another page, and we go over what we're doing and how we're doing it. Obviously, if you like the video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then hit the bell on the right, and you will get updates when I do new videos. We come out with several videos a week, always informative and always with the purpose of showing you a way forward in cryptocurrency and really how to take control of your Bitcoin and your altcoins and really make a difference. So that's it for today, guys. You have a great week, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.